Hyeung guys, we are now into our level 3 patterns that we're doing. I'm going to keep chugging, keep getting these done, because again we've got a lot of students out there in all parts of the club that are all various grades, so I want to cover all the syllabus stuff. Now today, if you've been watching and keeping up with these pattern videos, you'll notice I'm now inside. It is quite nice outside, to be honest, but it started off really dismal today, so I decided I'll set up in here, I'll do it in here, we'll give it a test, see what the sound is like, because sometimes if we're outside it's a bit windy and stuff, we get like microphone noise and wind noise, and the digital software that I use is not 100% brilliant at getting rid of wind noise. You can do a bit of hiss reduction, but that's about it. So I want to give this a try as well. We are now into our level 3 patterns. We're on to Toi Gye. Again, this is a pattern that a lot of people dislike, but for us it's a really interesting one simply because we have ITF patterns, but we are not strictly an ITF club. We're just a Taekwondo club. So what that means is we have certain little differences. So when I get to take a detail number, I don't know, 4, it might be, where you would normally see these big H blocks or mountain blocks, ITF guys, they just transfer one to the next. We have picked up somewhere along the line because of our system a crescent kick between each one. Okay, so if there's proper ITF guys out there that see that video, don't panic. It's not that we got it wrong, we are just different, so that's just how it works. Okay, so this one is for the opening combinations to Toi Gye. I'm just going to cover the 3 moves that are left and right. Okay, that's what we're after. Okay, so you would Choreo, bow into your chumbi, and then you come in for your mai chumbi, and similar to the last pattern chungun, from your chumbi it is right hand stays closed, left hand opens, and then they come up, little lift and down. Again, we're not flexing. Okay, we're just up to come down here, and then my left hand to my left in my back stance, middle block. Nice and simple. Okay, we then go front hand down, rear hand up and open, almost kind of like a salute, but we don't contact head. Okay, it's just up next to us, and then we go down into our front stance, and then a low spin. Notice I'm palm up, not palm down. Okay, that way round. This back hand comes up to my chest, my collarbone, and then we come up to the centre. The one that was the spear is the one that comes up for the double guard break. This. Okay, now I'm going to do that again very, very quickly, and then we'll do the same on the other side, and it just mirrors. That's it. Okay, so from your mai chumbi, it goes left hand, left foot, middle block back stance, open, front hand, palm high, spear, this one, in here, right into my collarbone, and then up, right hand high, left hand down. The one that was the spear becomes the high hand. Okay. Then we go that way, to my right with my right, including this one. Underneath, back stance, middle block, here. Open, into my front stance, low spear again, palm up. Okay, and then back, left hand, high, for that grip break. Easy peasy stuff. And again, that spear becomes my high hand. Okay. What I'm just going to do is do it from the side, so you can see that way down the line. Now I'm hoping the angle on my camera is wide enough to see everything, but I want you to see about where my feet sit. Okay. So I'm going to start about here. I reckon it's pretty good. Hope you can see that. So I'd go chumbi into my mai chumbi, easy peasy. Okay. Left. I will step behind myself into my back stance. Yeah, it's not a one line stance. And I'm not going 1, 2. Okay, I shouldn't have to be saying this at brown belt level, but I'm gonna say it anyway, just in case it helps out someone else that sees this video. Okay, single step. Okay, so from here I go behind, hit that middle block, high, just pull my shoulder back into my front stance, and I just push my heel out. I do not shuffle my feet. I am not in a back stance and then going, yeah, or shuffling forward. I do not need to pick my feet up. I just turn my heel back and change where my weight sits in my stance. Okay? So I'm here in my middle block, I'm up, come down, shift my heel back into my front stance, and then my feet come together from where my chariot position was at the very beginning, or my mai chumbi, whichever you want to think about. and then I go that way. Right hand, right foot, here, open, spear, and then back to my feet together. Okay, so from a my chun bi, from the very start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I haven't gone anywhere, I should still be in the same spot. If I'm not, and I've moved somewhere else, you're doing some weird foot shuffling that you don't need to do. Okay? That's the detail for today, that's detail 1 for today. Enjoy, keep practicing, stay safe. You know how it goes. Thanks very much.